What's up mga kaigso? Nandito ako ngayon upang magtanong sa aking mga kasamahang criminology student kung ano ang naranasan nila o masabi tungkol sa online class. Para sa iyo, ano
For
ba ang
me,
online
online
class or
learning
online
is
learning?
a distance learning and not in a typical classroom. Yes, it is tiring
Nakakapagod
because
ba ito?
sometimes we are given assessments even on holidays or Sundays.
Is it easy for you to cope with the lessons that was
For
being
me, it is
discussed by
not
your
that easy
instructor?
because our internet connection is not that stable.
Gastos ba ito?
Yes, it is expensive because I have to buy load so that I can join my class.
How was your internet connection? It is stable or it is one of your major problem in
My
online
internet
class?
connection is not that stable because of our barangay is low on signal strength.
How was your financial needs?
My financial needs are not that stable because of this pandemic.
What will you do for you to be
This
able to
course is
pass
not
this
easy,
course?
so I should strive hard for me to be able to pass and work my dream job.
Salamat, Jaika Sueco. I-interviewin ko naman yung isang kasamahan ko sa criminologist na si Ray Walter
Good morning po.
Pagalan.
Ako po pala si Ray Walter T. Pagalan, Section 3, Criminology.
Para sa iyo, ano ba ang online class or online learning?
For me, online learning is education that takes place over the internet. It is often referred to as learning among others terms. However, online learning is just one type of distance learning. The umbrella terms for any learning that takes place across distance and not in a traditional classroom.
Is it easy for you to cope with the lessons that was being discussed by your instructor?
Hindi ko gaano naiintindihan ang mga diskusyon dahil sa online at mahina rin ang aking signal.
How was your internet connection? It is stable or it is one of your major problem in online class?
Minsan malakas at minsan naman mahina dahil hindi gaano kalakas dito ang signal.
How was your financial needs?
Napakahirap dahil ang papa ko lang nagtatrabaho. Ang mama ko ay isang housewife lang.
What will you do for you to be able to pass this course?
Magpupursige pa ako ng pag-aaral. Hindi pa ako susuko kahit anong mga darating na mga problema.
Salamat, Ray Walter. Good morning, Rob. Magpapakilala ka muna, Rob.
Hi everyone, I'm Robin Sumayod from Section 3, Criminology.
Para sa iyo, ano ba ang online class or online learning?
Para sa akin, ito ay uri ng pagtuturo ng paggamit ng computer at internet connection.
Is it easy for you to cope the discussion by
Hindi masyado dahil nga mahina yung internet connection ko, kaya minsan hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yung discussion nila.
gastos ba ito?
For me, magastos. Dahil mobile data lang yung gamit ko. Kasi kailangan ko pang mag-load ng 50 pesos para makapasok sa klase.
How was your financial needs?
For me, mahirap kumita ng pera ngayon dahil sa pandemya ngayon.
What will you do for you to be able to pass this course?
Para sa akin, mag-aral ng mabuti at magdasal palagi.
Salamat, Robinson Sumayod, sa kunting oras. At yun lamang po yung mga sarili nilang opinion tungkol sa New Normal Education. Salamat!